Hello everyone, my name is Diksha Sharma and I am a data science and business analytics intern at the Sparks Foundation. Here is my first task, which is to predict the percentage of a student based on the number of study hours using supervised machine learning. So at first, we import all the necessary libraries which are required for the task. After that, we read the data from remote link and then I'm printing the data. This is the list of scores and hours. By using plot function of the pandas data frame, we will pass it to the column names for x coordinate and y coordinate. We can create the plot with the following script. I have plotted a graph of percentage scores against study hours by using plot function of the pandas data frame. We can see there is a linear relation between hours studied and scores. To verify this, I use pie graph and a bar graph as well. Here we can see the unsorted bar graph representation where there is a positive linear relation between number of study hours and number of scores. The next step is to divide the data into attributes and labels. So basically attributes are the independent variable, that is hours, and labels are the dependent one, that is scores. We want to predict the variable scores by using the independent variable, that is hours. Now that we have our attributes and labels, the next step is to split this data into training and test set. We'll do this by using scikit-learn built-in train test split method. With the help of this code, we divide our data into 80% and 20%. 80% of the data to the training set and 20% to the test set. After splitting the data, we have to train the algorithm using linear regression. Linear regression is used when we have to predict the value of one variable by using another variable. After training the data, we plot it for the test data. Here is a graph of linear regression versus trained model. Now that we have trained our algorithm, it's time to make some predictions. So here are the predictions. I have predicted the value based on test data set. With the help of data frame, I have compared actual and predicted values. Here is a graph comparing actual and predicted values. After that, I have predicted scores for the number of hours studied which was already given, that is 9.25. And here is my predicted score, that is 93.69%. At the final step, I have evaluated the model. This step is particularly important to compare how well different algorithms perform on a different data set. For simplicity here, we have chosen the mean square error. There are many such metrics. I have used regression algorithm to evaluate my model and my mean absolute error is 4.1838. Thank you so much.